Hello my fellow friends. Today we would like to present about seed germination and factors that affecting seed germination. What is seed? Seed is a small dormant plant embryo packaged with a food supply and protected by a seed coat, designed to germinate under the right conditions and develop into a new plant.
There are three key parts of a seed, which are seed coat, endosperm, and embryo. Seed coat is the outer layer that protects the seed from physical damage and disease. It also regulates water intake during germination. Then the endosperm offers nutrients like starches, oil, and protein to the developing embryo, but not all seeds have endosperm. Meanwhile, the embryo is the young plant itself, containing the future root as radicle. Hypocotyl are the stem, and the leaves are cotyledons. There are two types of seeds, which are monocot and dicot. Monocot seeds are one embryonic leaf and one cotyledon. The cotyledon itself stores a lot of food for the embryo, and the size of the seed are usually less symmetrical and smaller. While the dicot seed have two embryonic leaf and two cotyledon, the cotyledon also function to store food materials, and the size of the seeds are usually more symmetrical and larger.
What is germination? Germination is the process by which a seed absorbs water, activates enzymes, breaks through its seed coat, and develops into a new plant with roots anchoring it in the soil and shoot reaching towards the light.
There are two types of seed germination, which is epigeal and hypogeal. What is the process of epigeal germination? Epigeal germination absorbing water, which means seed absorb water to make seed coat swell. Then the radicle grows down, which means growing downward due to the gravity anchoring the plant and absorbing water and nutrients to support early growth. After the radicle grows down, the hypocotyl straightens up, pulling cotyledon out of soil, which means the hypocotyl curves upward by light detection and presence of oxygen. Lastly, the cotyledon turn green. The cotyledon are lifted above the soil surface. It becomes green, then providing photosynthesis for the plants.
Next is hypogeal germination. What is hypogeal germination? Hypogeal germination means the cotyledon remains below the soil due to the rapid inhalation of epicotyl. It mostly occurs in monocotyledonous seeds. These are the hypogeal germination steps. First one, the seed will absorb water that will cause seed coat to swell, and then the radicles grow down. After that, first internode and epicotyl grow up. Then, new leaf forms and start food production. Next, new root system develop above the first internode just beneath the soil. Lastly, the radicles dies after permanent roots form. There are internal and external factors that affecting seed germination. The external factor is right temperature, water, oxygen, and presence of light. Temperature plays a vital role in seed germination. Each seed species has an optimal temperature range for germination. If too cold, and the process slows down. If too hot, and it can be inhibited or even cause the seeds to die. For most seeds, a warm, consistent temperature is ideal for sprouting. Water affecting by activating enzymes that break down stored food within the seeds. This hydration allows the seeds to swell and begin to soften, preparing it to break through the seed coat. And then, presence of light can have a dual role in seed germination. Some seeds require light to germinate, while other seeds need darkness. Seeds that need light may not sprout if buried too deep in the soil. For those requiring darkness, exposure to light can hinder germination. Lastly, oxygen is essential for seed germination because it helps the seeds produce energy to grow. It supports roots development and ensures proper growth.
On the other hand, the internal factor is presence of oxygen, reserve food completion or dormancy, and availability of seed. The presence of auxins play a pivotal role in stem elongation and root formation. It regulates various growth processes, ensuring that the seedling grows in the right direction and forms a strong root system. Next is reserve food, which is seed contains starch, protein, and fats that store in the endosperm or cotyledon. Besides that, Completion of dormancy involves breaking down certain chemicals like acetic acid, enabling the seed to respond to growth stimuli. Finally, seed availability, ensuring that the seed is alive. Factors influencing availability include the age of the seed, storage condition, and genetic quality.
In conclusion, seed germination is a vital process that marks the transitions from dormancy to active growth, ultimately leading to the formations of a new plant. It involves key stages such as imbibitions, activations of enzymes, and the growth of the embryo within the seeds. Successful germination relies on several factors, including water, oxygen, temperatures, and light. Water is necessary for activating enzymes and softening the seed coat, while oxygen is crucial for cellular respiration. The right temperature ensures proper enzymatic activity, and light, depending on the plant species, can either stimulate or inhibit germination. Additionally, soil conditions, seeds quality, and genetic factors play a role in determining the success of germination. Understanding this factor is essential for optimizing germination in agricultural and horticultural practices, helping to ensure healthy plants growth. That's all from us. Thank you.